Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to our Pixie Look, our YouTube channel. In this video you can see these of the women best amazing pixie haircut ideas. Amazing beautiful pixie haircut fashion I am showing on my video today. So girls and guys, watch my full video, enjoy my all video. Today in this video, best fashion, America woman, USA woman, Italy woman, best fashion and timeless fashion. Today you can see this. Also 30 plus woman, 40 plus woman, 60 and 70 plus older woman. Best ideas I am showing today. Short haircut fashion. So please girls and guys, watch my full video, enjoy my all video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press my bell icon. Never miss any benefit and enjoyment in my video today. You can see this, they are amazing pixie haircut fashion. I like these in this type pixie haircut idea. Cutting with the scissor, they are amazing haircut idea. They are golden color of hairstyle. You can see this amazing idea. Such a beautiful fashion. Different black and brown, their haircut style very beautiful. Silver color of haircut fashion, you can see this my favorite one. Different also golden color haircut idea, really amazing fashion. I love it in this type of idea. Different golden color haircut idea, very beautiful. They are different curly hair, you can see this, they are very amazing. I love it. They are best, they are beautiful fashion. You can see this, they are different curly hair, you can see this. Wow, they are color transformation, they are make amazing idea. Their golden color look of haircut is too much amazing. Different fine haircut idea, you can see this very awesome. Different golden color and boom, wow, their silver color haircut idea. Their transformation is too much amazing. And girls and guys, really sorry my English is too weak. And girls and guys, really sorry for my background noise voice. Ignore my background noise voice. Enjoy all our video. Enjoy the all picture of amazing beautiful haircut ideas. Different you can see these amazing haircut idea. Also orange color pixie haircut. It's too much amazing. There is a golden color look of haircut, very beautiful. And also silver color look of haircut idea, very amazing. Different idea, wow, cutting with the scissor, very satisfying style, and boom, finally make amazing haircut idea. Silver and black color, their look of haircut is too much amazing. Different you can see this cutting with the scissor, they are very satisfying. Such amazing, such a beautiful idea. Very short haircut idea. Such a beautiful idea, you can see this. Wow, they are amazing fashion. Very beautiful idea. Different silver color and black color haircut idea, very beautiful. Different you can see this silver color fine look is too much amazing. Here we go, their golden and black color haircut, very awesome. They are expert barber. In this barber I will be link in description page on the Instagram page. You can easily follow this in this barber very easily. And boom, you can see they are make amazing haircut idea. Such a beautiful haircut idea make. You can see this different golden color look of haircut in this woman. They are amazing idea. Silver color haircut idea, very beautiful. Different you can see this. Also amazing haircut fashion. I love this. Such a beautiful fashion. Best idea. Different you can see the golden color of haircut, very beautiful. Different hot woman, gold and also red color of haircut fashion. It's too much amazing. Such a beautiful idea. Beautiful fashion, you can see this. Different silver color fine haircut idea, very amazing. You can see this girl silver color fine look is too much beautiful. Here we go, you can see these, they are long hair. In this woman need short haircut, so you can see past transformation in this expert barber. In this I will be link in description page on the Instagram page, and boom, Wow, they are mag amazing haircut transformation. I like these in this type transformation. They are golden color of haircut idea. You can see this very beautiful. Different golden color haircut fashion. You can see this is my favorite one. I love these in this type idea. Cutting with the scissor. Wow. Boom. They are mag past haircut fashion. I love these in this type idea. Different golden color look of haircut. You can see this very beautiful. Here we go in this hot woman, black color, brown color. Then this older woman, their haircut look mag very beautiful. They are different hot women. You can see this amazing haircut fashion. I love it. Different golden and black color look of hairstyle, very beautiful fashion. I love these in this type idea. What do you like it? Please girl tell me in my comment box. Different silver color fine look very beautiful. Different golden color of look of haircut very awesome. Different you can see this they are curly pixie. Wow, they are amazing pixie haircut fashion. Different you can see this wow silver and black color. They are amazing transformation. They are amazing combination. Silver and black color. And boom, you can see this they are mag amazing haircut idea. Different this woman best haircut idea. Very beautiful. Different older woman they are amazing fashion. I like this. Different hot woman silver and black color is too much amazing. I like it. The brown color long hair in this woman need short haircut again. You can see this amazing transformation. So watch the full video hair coloring. You can see and boom they are mag beautiful hairstyle. And different short pixie brown color my favorite one. They are amazing on the pictures and also video clip of transformations of haircut. I'll Creadit source link in description page on the Instagram page. I'll respected owner, I'll Instagram models, I'll Instagram also expert barbers ID link in description page on the Instagram page. So please girls and guys watch my full video, enjoy my all video. Different you can see these amazing hot woman very short hairstyle. I like this short pixie haircut fashion. Different silver color look of haircut very beautiful. They are different black and brown, the black and golden. Their haircut idea really amazing, really satisfying. I like these. Different you can see these amazing golden and black color haircut idea. I love these really amazing fashion. And different golden black color look of haircut is too much beautiful. Different you can see these silver color haircut idea very beautiful. I love it. Different also golden color of haircut fashion very amazing. I like it. Different black color look of haircut in this woman cutting with the scissor really satisfying. I like these in this type idea. Cutting with the scissor really satisfying. I hope you enjoy my video today. Please girls and guys watch my full video, enjoy my all video. Different you can see the wow they're the woman they are amazing haircut fashion. And also silver color look of haircut very awesome. Different you can see golden color of haircut idea very awesome. I like it. Different you can see these they are long hair and cutting with the machine really satisfying. They are very expert barber. In this barber I will be link in description page on the Instagram page. You can see this golden brown color. Their hairstyle very amazing. Black color haircut very beautiful. I love this. Even silver color look of hairstyle very awesome. I love it. Different you can see this the California barber. You can see cutting with the scissor really satisfying haircut idea. Such a best, such a beautiful haircut idea. There you can see bob hair mag. They are amazing haircut fashion. I love these in this type idea. Such a beautiful fashion. You can see this in this woman's silver color of look of haircut very beautiful. Different silver color look of haircut idea very amazing. The different California barber in this expert barber they are my favorite of one barber. In this barber, I will be link in description page on the Instagram page. Please follow this in this barber. I like this. What do you like it in this type transformation? Please girl tell me in my comment box. Different you can see this black color, sorry, they are silver color haircut look. It's too much amazing. Different you can see the short undercut pixie hairstyle, very beautiful. Different you can see this girl very short pixie look. It's too much amazing. Different hot woman brown color look of hairstyle, very beautiful. And also silver color look of haircut, very amazing. In this type different hot woman silver color fine pixie haircut, very amazing. With a silver color look of haircut, very beautiful idea. Here we go, black color haircut idea. This woman really beautiful fashion. Different you can see silver color look of haircut, very awesome. Different hot woman fine look of haircut is too much amazing. They are in this type older woman timeless fashion, very beautiful. Different you can see this silver color look of haircut, very awesome. Different this type silver color hot woman, they are look of haircut, very awesome. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Thank you so much for the watching.